Well, today's Thursday, September the 29th, 2016, and we're on board Bolivian Naval Revenue Cutter Aslan with Fecal Removal Specialist First Class Mixson, who's assumed the usual position in preparation for removing two of Aslan's 3 head pumps. Say hello to the folks back home, Dennis.
Hello.
Yep, that's Dennis. We're going to give you updates on this and hope that this instructional video will help you in some way going forward in the future with your head pumps. Over and out for now. The technician is now engaged in a process known as looking for the tools you dropped. It wouldn't bother me so bad, but he's dropping my tools. But notice the relaxed position the Fecal Removal Specialist is in, minimizing cramps and muscle pulls. And look what else he pulled. Wonder what that was. Let's go look at that and send it to the archaeology department. The specialist now is in quite the quandary. He's lost the customer's flashlight, and which of course will be deducted from the specialist bill. What the specialist doesn't realize is,
you know, those were my towels we just brought out.
Oh, well, but it's a very expensive flashlight. Of course, he could prove it's not if he could find it.
It's true.
The specialist is feeling his age, especially because the job should have been completed. However, we had a seal leak, and calling the supplier, they asked the question, did anyone tell you the difference between the old style and the new style pump? And they did not, and that was the problem. So we are having to redo it all now. And Specialist Mixson is a trooper. But,
no, he ain't.
But he's not as young as he used to be. Updates to follow. The specialist is demonstrating his modern dance pirouette stance now, which works on getting more blood to his head, because Lord knows Dennis sometimes has a problem with brain function due to lack of blood. And Dennis is waving to us. Hey, Dennis, wave back. All right. In our attempt to be very modern and up to date in the 21st century, we want to now establish the specialist's sexual orientation by taking a probe. Whoop! Apparently the specialist is he's a guy. The specialist is now in the tuck position, redoing the work that he originally did. Seems to be a little bit substandard. Where we have found a flashlight. Well, never mind. And we also, the specialist lost his wallet, but we found that, and we're currently drying it out. So we're almost done.